Hi everybody, Dr. Bartlett here, trying to share some helpful hints during this pandemic. I know that we shared some helpful hints with you earlier on our portal, but just sometimes it's helpful to have a little video to make it real. First thing is, this virus, it's dangerous. However, most people have a very mild form of it. They get headaches, they get fatigue, they get a cough, and a fever. So helpful to have on hand for that around your house would be no name, no brand Tylenol. Tylenol is preferred to ibuprofen just because it reduces your fever, it'll relieve your body aches, and it can be very helpful to make you feel better as opposed to the ibuprofen. Studies are showing that maybe that's not as good for this virus, so try the Tylenol. Also to have on hand some form of cough medicine. Use your favorite brand, order it up online and have it delivered to your house. Lots of our clients are doing that type of delivery and it'd be a great idea. Wash your hands. Soap and water, perfect thing to do. If you don't have soap and water, then use hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer has 65% alcohol is the perfect thing for you to have in between when it's not convenient to wash your hands. The rules around my house are to wash your hands when you walk in the door, to wash your hands before and after you eat, and oftentimes throughout the day. Try not to touch your face. It's so hard. It's so hard. Talking about touching your face, if you're going out and you have to go to the grocery store or the fruit market, try to have gloves on. If you don't have these disposable gloves, then use golf gloves, garden gloves, something that you can protect your hands with, and it'll raise awareness that, oh, I have gloves on, I shouldn't touch my face, I could have touched something that's contaminated. If you use garden or golf gloves, leave them outside. Do not bring them in your home. If you use these, dispose of them immediately because they could be contaminated with the virus. Also, if you're going out, even to walk your dog, wear a mask. Outside, the virus can linger in the air for up to 2 or 3 hours if someone has coughed or sneezed. And so we had a pattern on our portal Friday in case you wanted to make it over the weekend. I tried my hand at some of it. Here's a couple of my samples. I don't know. What do you think? I'm not the best sewer, but thing to note is that, see the pleats? The pleats should be facing down, not that where they're catching the virus, but they should be facing down on the outside. You would put it around your mouth and tie it. So these would get used one time. You would remove it by the straps, throw it right in the washer, and ready to use again. Disposable mask, same. Use one time, throw away. Also in the house, you would want to have towels. Each person should have their own towel. So for example, in my house, husband has this towel, I have this towel, and we don't share towels during flu season. However, this is pandemic season, so it's good if each family member has their own towel that they can use. And if someone does become infected with the virus, it's a good idea that they're isolated in a certain part of the home. They have their own bathroom, their own towel, and you use the mask and gloves when you're interacting with them. Cleaning surfaces as often as possible. Use these wipes. Wipe down refrigerator handles, knobs on the stove and oven, on your coffee, the knobs on your faucet to wash your hands, the drawer pulls, anything that you touch frequently, try to wipe down with Clorox. And important to read the directions because usually it will tell you exactly how long you need to leave it wet on the surface in order for it to decontaminate and kill the virus. And it can be anywhere up to 4 minutes. So sometimes people wipe it down and then dry it with a paper towel. No, you want to leave it wet and let it kill the germs. Vitamin C, always handy. If you don't have vitamin C tablets that you can take, oranges, lemons, limes, any form of natural vitamin C, kale, leafy green vegetables are great sources and can help boost your immune system. And alcohol. I know this is a ginormous bottle, but it's super helpful to have alcohol on hand. Allows you to sterilize any thermometers or anything that you might need to clean off during the pandemic. I wish you a lot of luck out there. I hope you're able to enjoy your friends and family. And just remember, be good to each other. Thanks. Have a great day.